How to transfer from Binance to PayPal. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about how you're going to be able to go ahead and transfer from your Binance to your PayPal. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your PayPal, and once you're in your PayPal, you're going to make sure that you have a PayPal for cryptocurrency. Okay, so curious about crypto, get confident with the actual app. So use the app to buy, transfer, and sell cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, and the new PayPal stablecoin. So sign up with this, and once you sign up with this, they're going to give you a PayPal crypto wallet address. Okay, and once you get that wallet address, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your Binance, and once you're selling or maybe trading, what you're going to do is you're going to add the crypto wallet address for PayPal into your Binance's selling. And once you're doing that, what that will do is it will directly link your Binance to your PayPal, and that is how you are going to transfer from Binance to PayPal in the easiest way possible. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.